Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So this video is all about the roadmap that I built when I was a student in my college, which landed me multiple job offers here in Canada. So I built this roadmap when I was in my semester 2 in my college, and then I decided to follow this roadmap. I built this roadmap by my own research, talking to a lot of people in the industry, analyze things, watching multiple YouTube videos, and all the things around. So if you're looking for a job in Canada, in software development, or let's say in any field, because this is like a you know a global roadmap that you can follow, and then you can land whatever jobs in which domain that you want in your life. So the first thing is, when I was in college, then in my field, software development, there are like different fields, like front end developer, back end developer, full stack developer, DevOps, AI, ML, all that stuff. So a single person cannot do all these things. So I have to decide my goal, that I want to get a job in this domain, as I already have experience in front end development, and I'm pretty much familiar with back end development as well. So I decided that I can apply for front end developer, back end developer, full stack developer. So I just set my role that I want, you know, these things that I can, these are the domains that I can, get a job after I graduate from my college. So after this, I research about more about these things, like how to get a job in this particular domain. And for that I need people from industry. So I attend couple of networking events in Vancouver, where I met people from different companies like Facebook, so like not Facebook, Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, and some mid-sized companies as well. So I spoke to them. I gain experience from their journey. Everybody have a different perspective to land a job. Everybody have a different journey. So all these things are filling my mind with the information that I needed to land a job in this market. And also I attend some one-on-one coffee chat events with the people as well. I reach out to them on LinkedIn, and I took guidance from them one on one, like what are the interviews process look like in your company, referrals, all that stuff. So now my brain is filled with all the information that I need to get started, for my job journey, for my future job journey that I need to land in the market. Then after all these things, I gain the information. Then I start my interview prep. My goal is pretty big. I My goal is like to crack big companies, so I prepare like that. I started data structures and algorithm when I was in my semester 3. I continues improve. I continues improving my programming skills. I also do some system design stuff and read couple of books for the interview. I do lead code or couple of all things all together, build some projects so that I can showcase those projects in my resume, improve my resume. So this is the interview prep is like the day you started until you get a job. This process is like continuous going on. I cannot stop you, or somebody cannot stop this process, because once you get a job, then you can hold on this process. Otherwise we have to keep doing interview prep until and unless you will get a job. So after this, I was like, I'm pretty much ready for the job thing. Then I applied for couple of companies on LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, YC Combinator. Yep. And I get like very less response from the recruiters. Then I continuously improving my resume day by day, improving my data structures and all the programming skills. And after that, I reach out to a company via cold email, and that company responded me back. And from there, I get my first interview call, and I crack those things, and I get my first job offer as well. Then there are the thing, job referrals. So this is like a total optional part, because most of 90% of the people didn't get any job referral. Even I didn't get any job referral with the companies that I received offer from the two companies. I haven't do any referral stuff because nobody is responding to my message for referral. So that's why. But like this part is like totally optional. And the thing is, if you applied online on LinkedIn, cold email, cold DMs, Glassdoor continuously without skipping any day, like I applied like 20 to 25 applications per day, then hopefully you'll get an interview call if your resume is good. So resume building is like the most important thing. You have to optimize your resume according to the ATS score, the trends in market. Are you knowing in multiple technologies or stuff like that? So after receiving interview calls, not talking about interview rounds, different companies have, different interview process. Some big companies ask like for sure data structures and algorithms, then system design, then round related to your tech stack and project stuff. But like the mid-sized companies, their interview rounds are pretty different. DSA is pretty optional in those companies, but for sure the tech stack round, like um, technical round based on the skills that you already know, and system design, behavior round. So these are some rounds that are mostly asked in mid-sized company. So I crack all these couple of rounds. I received 2 interview calls and I cracked both of the interviews because I know at that time when I was in the process that if I get a chance of interview, this is my only chance to crack a job. I am not receiving multiple interviews calls because due to the market is down, AI stuff, economy in Canada, and all those things. So I prepared myself so well in the interview prep that if I received some interview call, I have to crack this company or have to look. This is my only chance. But luckily, I got like 2 interview calls, and the second interview, I just did the technical round stress free and all that stuff. But still, I am able to crack the another company, and I joined that company. So yeah, at last, if you follow this roadmap with consistency, hard work, smart work, upskilling yourself, understanding the market, be smart, give your 100%, not more than 100%, I guess. Then at last, for sure, you'll get the job that you want, or you will get a job in your domain specifically. Begin in with the beginning. In future, you can prep for follow this roadmap again and then crack bigger companies like Mang or stuff like that. So that is the roadmap that I followed when I was a student, which helps me landed multiple job offers. And yeah, that's all about it. If you want, you can just go back and take the screenshot of the roadmap and you can follow the same thing. uh, yeah, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, then do subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.